Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today I just want you to know about a group buy that's happening very soon at Adorama. My friend Rob Hall has already made a video on this, so in case you've already seen his video, then you don't really have to watch the rest of this video, and I would recommend watching another one of my videos instead. But if you haven't seen his video and you don't know what a group buy is, it's basically a lot of people committing to buy a product, or in this case lighting kits, and the more people that sign up, the bigger the discount. This group buy is going to be centered around the Evolve 200, also known as the Godox 8200. It's a very unique, small, yet powerful light that allows you the flexibility of using a speedlight shaped head right here, which is going to be good for speedlight shaped accessories like the MagMod system, or using a bare bulb attachment, which is going to be better for fitting out modifiers in case you ever use those like softboxes or octoboxes. This light is one that I highly recommend, so these different kits are going to be great in case you ever wanted to start with off-camera flash or just wanted to incorporate this light into your system. As I said before, the more people that sign up, the bigger the discount for each of these kits. So let me go ahead and tell you guys about these kits, and then I'll give you the exact numbers on how much you'll be saving as more people sign up. This first kit is going to be perfect for anybody who just wants to jump right in and get a 2-light setup and also have the availability of using a stronger single source of light, because this kit includes 2 Evolve 200s, an attachment to combine both of those 200s together to make a stronger 400 watt source of light. It also comes with a 36-inch Glow Easy Lock Octobox and a 13-foot light stand. What you're seeing on the screen now is the price of all these different items combined without any sort of discount. Then you have a discount as you combine them as a kit, which is going to be the standard kit price outside of this group buy. And then you start to get the discounts at 100 plus people, 250 plus people, and 500 plus people, which is the biggest discount. Kit number 2 is going to be perfect for anybody who just wants a single source of light to start with, and that's going to include the Evolve 200, an S bracket to combine this 200 to Bowens mount modifiers, a 9-foot light stand, and a 20-inch deep parabolic softbox. On the screen now, you have again the price of all these different items combined, then you have the kit discount, and then the discounts at 100, 250, and 500 plus people. Kit number 3 is going to be perfect for anyone wanting to add an Evolve 200 to their lighting setup and want to have control of that 200, because kit number 3 involves the Evolve 200 itself, the round head attachment for the Evolve 200, which makes a nice even distribution of light, which is perfect for bouncing at events. You also get the AKR1, which is a line of magnetic modifiers that goes directly onto that round head attachment. And the last thing it includes is a 7-foot light stand. And just like the other 2 kits, here's the normal price of all these different items, the kit discount and all the other discounts at 100, 250, and 500 plus people. I highly recommend each of these different lighting kits, but in case you guys need help in figuring out which one is going to be best for you, let me know in the comment section below and I'll help you guys as soon as possible. And if you're worried at all that we're not going to hit the biggest discount on each of these kits, what I can tell you is that in the past group buys that me and Rob have done, we've hit the biggest discount on each of those group buys, and I have no doubt that we're going to hit the biggest discount on this one as well. If you're interested in participating in this group buy, all you have to do is click the link that's at the top of the description area below. It'll also be a pinned comment. That link will direct you to a Google Doc form, which will ask you which kit you want to get and also ask for an email. This email is really important because at the end of the 2-week period in which we're gathering up people to sign up for this group buy, we'll send you out an email with a special link to the kit that you wanted, and that link will have the discount applied. If you guys are curious like me and want to know how much people signed up for each of the different kits, I'll leave a comment in the comment section below with that number and I'll update it as much as possible, probably every day. I believe Rob Hall will also be doing the same thing, so in case my number isn't as updated as his, you can check his video and see how much the latest number is. Don't forget to let all your friends and family know about this deal in case they're interested in off-camera flash, so that we all can get the biggest discount on each of these different kits. That's pretty much it for this video, but in case you're interested in future deals that might happen, you can subscribe to me here on YouTube to be notified of those deals. Follow me on Instagram at FJH Photo, or join my lighting group on Facebook called Learn to Light, an off-camera flash lighting community. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.